dear mama, I change mama kwaba world of entertainment. Dear Chegu, we been a medicine. I tell you, brain and Chegu. Oh, sorry, I dear Chibia will be for fraud friend. I dear Chibia will be for fraud, Bibika. What I say, just I dear Chico Croco.
Oh, be the conconsa.
Ghana celebrities, yeah, Sister Sandy, Sister Mabo, near the Somo. But need the Sandra or him, I'm met to where you ain't Adom. Entertainment, I'm a Ghana for Tremois.
When you start sending her, where do you or your guy? Sister Sandy be a guy.
One and only guy is Ghana's entertainment prophet and Kalana. I brought for a time I can say more can you just say or doors. Oh, Sunny and Shomani, the Miyanke Vessa will be one director web as live. Oh, and Shomani more a day. By now, no, a jadem. Once I drew eviction, now I will be I am session. Be I am session today. We never say who vote my favorite contestant. She show favorite contestant whom a nanny ana, a Bernardo, a your therefore, a Quinasi, a Wanya, a little angel, and I say a star boy. Or be your favorite whom be able more than I hear any code. Not to man because they are drawn it here. But this year, I sure say attack ready. This year, attack ready because Taddy for Naka woman require doors. I say, or Kodo, or there to my favorite contestant. One can osmosis, Bombium, Efamaya Yaba, Yabana, some of course, maybe by SCA and I mean, he says, I'm Sakamiki, or Kobufu, I'm a full attendant. Let me up in the car glass. Hey, no more questions, Adia chia, oh, our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come. We are work, I say, give us our daily bread. Now, I may answer prayer and our daily bread if you are. No, I'm a buffo, I'm a daily bread, no, I abanji. Because Shatamichi could buffo or your uncle me at Tamadia at the bowing screen in my pie glass. But if you are somebody, I may pay two sides. It's me, Basset, a beer, not all trances because so. And a before be bear when a shell on no so pie glass no. It means so basse. Why, yashi na oni no ane ye. And since some day be brain and air was making or pass over her video na ba me boa. And I say, she won't swat it. You know, say that a coy and I mean, can't seem wait here one trim. On the society, I'm a member, papa, two faces in buying them homes as I met my mobre. Yeah, this year more fan chay. And member brave because society, no, I Kevin in the way say, they be our buyer right. Society, I'm a member sugu mumu. Society, I'm a member cranes me, mum, wants never come as some. Where I say be one more quiet ding. So, would you know I know my rights? I know to do one more quiet ding. They be a macas or bar, no matter what, in the bear matem. Tenny, a buffon, a bebo, so chain penny, so positions, then, no, and did the bear matem. Oh, yeah, I know my rights. One no, at me a quiet ding. One no sweating, I and sans with me by fast. I'm not tolerating violence. No, never. Yan to us so. Say to us what? Me you have Marco Fimoli apostle get gangster. Or be sure in Sembia, my main being so more. Say I wasn't no wing Kofi Mole be can say makoma video no. Once on a sack one bia no expect say nyum de onye obi bona feature na e was a video with me ginem or represent. Let me say mole ya because the sack appeal video no. But last week, I ran to a social and it's why I watch on something. And Molly Chim said, I was ready to shoot a video, but never got a response from SAC and team. After multiple tests and calls, I let that slide. Okay, Kofi Molly, we could SAC and and I could be say a question go. And Obede, number 1, I'm the best MC from the ghetto, C9, cemetery, don't test me, punchline, way back. Can Tony a dear chelop. One also be true, be my name and say, yeah, mom, mammy, din nakakra. Miss Ramo, Osmo Bomae, no true tree, say, I'm an because I'm a tree advocate. It is a witty tree now. Never near Japan, so war gun and need this a Hong Kong. It was a yeah, mommy din nakakra. Miss Ramo, I have no idea about this. And if it's actually happened, there was miscommunication somewhere. Only responding to this because I got love for my superstar, Kofi Mole. I don't play games. I'm in or out. Oh my God. Obede yada one was one. Nurse apostle. Senior opinion kasanu ti opinion. What's the issue? Be any ho. Opinion so dear 1 year no 1 year or so on your one so your one. Sana sakote. Opwas mo opwas on poasem so dear na yamutu. And you know, see, Abani say no. Abani say by acquire uniform Minister of Communication, Creative Arts. Abani say Creative Arts for na yini say Minister of Inchemu. BBS was so big shame na Ghana 40. I say Miami ni abema DJ Slim. Slim. Mene Slim start say ache. Slim na menu Kumasi STC Radio somewhere 2208. It is Slim na mu hune sa no so wa che wa agro papa Kumasi STC Radio. Starting kakra na no de aba hit FM no. It is okasa onim bibia no so no onim because wa dore ache e wo industry nim so one fact. Enti nchiremu ni bimba. Now so odi bia ache okay.
What happening?
Everything cool.
Everything cool, Mr. First.
I'm being informed that you are the person who was supposed to shoot that Makuma video, music video for Kofi Mole.
Yes, sir.
What happened? What really happened?
Do I even know? I think we set the first date, Saturday didn't show up, second day, Saturday show up. And I think we have to use the same idea to shoot another music video. So that's what happened.
So you set up 2 dates?
Yeah.
And Kinsak did not show up?
Yeah.
Were there conversations? Did Kofi Mole actually engage Sak, or did you engage Sak to find out the reason why he did not turn up for the first day?
That's awesome. No. I think he was the one in conversation with Sak.
Okay, so it was Kofi Mole who was in constant talks with Sak?
Yeah.
And he did not get any reason, or the team, as in the production team, did not even get any reason why Sak did not show up?
No, I think the dates were not working for him.
Okay.
Yeah, so, you can also be waiting for, like, let's say, you keep certain dates and the person's showing up and you're still waiting. I think it wasn't making sense.
Now, if the days were not working, why did Kofi Mole tell the production team that you have a video shoot on XYZ dates?
I don't know who exactly Kofi was talking to. But,
okay.
If you're not talking to the right person, the person can tell, okay, let me talk to him. Maybe you can do it on Tuesday.
Say na akwa he na Osmo Jemu mame. Na mami take you back akwa. There was some time Dope Nation Free Links Entertainment. Once I know more under links. And Kuami Eugene catch up say links case no. Ebe di o ma chini can links case you're saying. We have more Free Links Entertainment in na. More bro hit. I mean, Kai will be to say ASEM easy, baby. Easy, and I'm medical. I think you're telling her. Why be biggie boy loving? I mean, find a currency. Any why omodoso. It's a quite so Free Links. I wouldn't hit. It's where more Free Links no Dope Nation. Na Eugene catch on say. Yeah, they are. Case never count. Enti enra me no industry for be brain say Kuami Eugene links so they were free ho. Idea that why maybe a public maybe money. But it is there say we free ho. Na Kuami Eugene no ono want me any beat. Kuami Eugene no want me tro n'enyum. With me master sound engineering or ya ade. E tro kra trauma other artists. So Kuami Eugene shada nyi obi obebre. What I say? Was I a Presbyterian asafo? Yeah, my sorry ba. Asum den kan. Presby asafo a church boy or no tonyum. Den here no hweri here no. It's a domination. So let's see how you carry the so-called link scarce. Now, what was meant for 4 people is now for 1 person. We wish you well. No, almost our target, you know. Where this is how we like it on the street. Then pass my now with wine for me a jumani a baby some whiny. No what target no simple for and no my target na Kuami Eugene to the way by. I'm a mere Eugene response. No. And on no switch must say anyone looking for attention to drop another gym song underline the word gym should wait. I'm dropping a classic on my birthday come Saturday for quality music listeners, and then I'll make some time, okay? Wow, ready. Bars, my nigga. There's a Eugene, they are too tala, or they are bosso. Say, yanum dope nation, omunum nina, kwayan nadianum. They are the fan nadia what gym, they are the boss skipping, they are the squatting, gym for nyum na. It's not me, Bobby Achel, say, wow, wo me. So, hanyum ya. A gym song, and I miss me person, me did nadia no pena. Me say, a gym bam pen and a fat, she, na say. Who did Nadia na? It's a bushing as a matter to but when you Eugene handwriting, I'm telling you, more celebrating some coffee brave handle or my account tomorrow. We need time, missing on only handwriting. But one thing is for a fact, people handle page and head then your baby will pay me Shanzana. Watch her. It's all the one in punchline wedding. Now me cheer DJ AB Kena Roja Harold, the chairman of paper. What's your baby girl. Osmo Boma, your baby girl, one and only Lomo. Oba hon fefo, me nua be ma Kofi ya say. Echemwa, wani osmo ni na so mo do. Me fan claim for me nua ba so kan share kuma say. Happy birthday, Vero Cape Coast. Beautiful girl, beautiful baby girl. Just a koko. Veronie. International. Happy birthday, baby girl. Me kuma me nua be ma na yere ya do pa gay. En kan be bra higher pa. Happy birthday, sweetie. We love you from all of us here. You said oh yeah, family member. Ye nyina ya de nyina. Ya me sure. O man kwatenti ahode. Onye wakoma so ade de o hwie bia no afene nkwawe ni nyame de ahyem. E de ama. Happy birthday, Vero. Ye ntwa so. Vows Day beba. Vows Day de Ghana ha ya kwabua beka na kwabena. Ba Vows Day ankasa pa de ya kwabua na issues of love. And I say yeah na. KB ne beka be share why almost so ye omunya. Baba ya kwabua this year Mr. Bomo ho modern na ye show. Ye gina ye nim se wo na wo ye show. Enkasa obi ye ne de nti wagyae kwabua. Unia ba na ekasa no pay. Ye show na sa fa me MC. Be me MC kwenta me ne abi say ye show no na fa me dwuma wate. Me nyina ni di fa me. Me ye show no. Kwabna kopie mu o me nua be ma DJ Slim ho. Na say ne koy.
And Tourism, Arts and Culture Minister Marco Kumanti said you became a bigger artist after endorsing Akufo-Addo.
You see,
I don't know. You heard that?
Yeah,
right?
but see, there's clarity in what he was trying to say.
Okay.
I mean, listening to it and then having a conversation with him about it again. He was of the view that there are so many artists who've done something political, and it looks as if what they did actually affected them in terms of being able to still be out there doing their business. But then I'm a case study that even after endorsing, I mean, my brand became bigger, which is a fact. But it's not like because I endorsed, that's why my brand became bigger. That's not what it means. What it means is even after me doing something political, I still was able to go about my business and grow my brand as an artist. So it has nothing to do. A musician's career has nothing to do with anything he or she does political. I guess
with political affiliation, you can still
be bigger. Exactly.
That's where he was coming from.
That's where he was coming
It's not that like you tapped into the fan base of the MPP and then became bigger afterwards.
That's not what he meant.
Okay.
That's not what he meant.
Well, so you actually had a different conversation. Yes. You spoke to Honorable after.
Yes, I spoke to him about so many things, including this. And yes, and listening to the tape, I mean, you can understand that that's where he was coming from.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This is Hits.
And this is Adom TV. Yawo Aza Oye Makweba ya me director. Me moshi me nko Germany, Düsseldorf. Na me nchia me boss Kofi Ampedu. Ene ne ho kani na me nchia na asew. Woni yesu dru Germany wa. Se wo pe Ghana aduane padie. Woni ene sine na so. San so no no ye Ghana fo nyina hema e wo Germany ho. Mo me ya no pe ye chia wo. Ya te won kra no yesu ye da asipi pa. Iti me de besi can osmosis a sound engineer or small boom no montonka boom no montonka I don't know we just no small boom no when I was one boom ne kan ho me di ne can osmosis boom ne ye wo bon se mama was it MCR summer sene OPD me that OPD be producer Kaswa Beyonce ne ko efia man kwaso e Kaswa Rosalenda munya me producer was it mo Kaswa Samsung Lizzie will make up department. Eddie, cinematographer, Master Ijwa, Frank, Akpazwa, and Afe so no original. Me humungina. Me the best see. Nyame adomwa. Efiada, ebi ba nko dia me the best so ebi amakwa me the mba be che wase. Kofi say yenkodi lomo be every day. Me the best see. I'm the guy scream. Oh, mama channel.
Sister Sunday be a guy.